Even the man again taking a quamona because he's saying with a video no as kwame will hella because gay ya gilo ya nisi. Because na emoloku actually to you na maram na only notice eli hene trending. I don't know no only notice and he's no longer in news in Ijele pata. Yes, Ijele patago. It's no longer in news that he was looking very well because this is what most people don't expect. Yotago. Most people did not expect that Ijele will come out looking pompous and flamboyant and when the slow you pass on a no dollar. In other words, that he's looking so much like Imalababa. Amatakwam because Agota Hazikwam. Then the people started digging in, according to people, they started digging in. They were saying that no, Ijele so now the unidentified and Ndigbo marks were making that testified against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that his job is done. That is why making it were rappier because they saw that the victory is coming to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu soonest. So they decided to let him go. That no finish go the job according to speculations in Ghana social media, which I am not sure. That is when you can be video. I can go see some of the evidences on ground about people saying that in Ijele so na max people testify against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Only one post here. If this post no some Christy. Also Ijele was the witness the DSS used against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That was number one. Then in actually was another person who also know Daddy Dandison Ken. Also a person, all these things about all this evidence we have found na the comment section of JPAC. JPAC here we scroll down here for bomb post saying that na one Ivoamon Ijele baby more care this time around because na Ijele Patagonia. So Igana the comment section he have one came screenshot to there are many of them. Some comment today is close to 200. And even 200 almost 100 are saying the same thing or more than 100. So this person also know that this can also a person will testify against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then Timothy Obara then at the under the comment where reply here Daddy Ken or say that is in Ken. Yes, they used him as marksman. I don't know why people don't even know that is why they released him now. Kunafo. Then another person or say Anthony C. Okondike also he has finished the job that he signed. We know the game. Max witnessed. That's another comment again. Then Onyankazana Okori Kenneth also again. After he has testified against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he was among the DSS Max witness. He's just finished his job. And 18 reactions towards it. Ijechado's commenting in how much reaction to it. Yotago Mananke Antonia with 21 reaction. Nke this Okori with 18 reactions. So you just need to pay attention. Then Mazi Ike also JPAC. Because him don't come out, you call him Ijele. Remember, you are the one that named him Udele. Can we 80 reaction? Una forgot that in uncle from beginning. Una forget. I thank God another person again. The same thing again. Then let us fast forward to you see the galaxy kingdom. You see the galaxy kingdom according to his abbreviation or the other place. Also Jack, which means JPAC. Jack, so you are now hailing someone that testify against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court or marks by our enemies. Honestly, I am disappointed in you. You know work and you don't even reason at all. Or say ihe bo atoro na nwehe uche. Nka nwe 3 reaction. I can agakwa. Then there was one post that got my attention on my YouTube yesterday again. Ijele bail condition was to provide a surety of 60 million naira, house worth 5 billion naira, and the person will tender his passport. Who tendered this to Ijele? Nobody. Then how did the government suddenly release him? Because he might have done a sinister job for the government while he is in prison. In my own conclusion, Ijele is one of the marksmen that testify against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Unanafia. People are still saying the same thing. Then Ibiakwa meet Lawrence Chim Passman na Facebook JPA Kosekwa. So the mark witness is out. It is not yet over for him, because what next that will happen to him, he will regret coming out. Then truth matu metwose. Truth is out and lies is inside, in the sense that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kana refebe. Owesia the same man will reply because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must pay for the buying and itolo people in Igboland, since he opened IPOB ESN, gave them mbwebwe, telling them to buy the police and the soldier. That is what somebody said. Then Chigozie Nwosu, all these things in negotiation book, where people were already sitting naga, because that's never na man jakilekana ekwezoku. Chigozie Nwosu was, he is the marksman that came to court to testify against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they have released him because he has done their assignment. Akwehe madedendo we making we need all these things be na naga na social media. We na just we na see biko no Ndigbo bae. Unu wolizi uchu unu gukozie onu unu malo, because according to his speech mwopota or saying that na according to his speech according to his narration and the two no juweku ochina ihe ni na ifuguri before bugetis of the iceberg na patan. Now you begin to wonder, who is really this guy? Kedu onye na alulu kedu ndi na eyi ya? Ijele being Udele enwele ndo na alulu. Use your mind and use your initiative. Ona ani Igbo na agbagala kita na onwe asị na obodo adịghị mma bụ ụlọ ndị nze. Kedu ihe a na-benefit? This is somebody so obodo Igbo nata. How comes he now feel comfortable ịnọzi n'obodo ha that he wants to run away from? So obodo na agbagala, that is where they derive joy in. Ndị Igbo bai, it is now high time abịapụta ụgwọ nwa eziokwu, in the sense that onwere onye na-eme ihe na-adịghị mma, obodo should come out openly saying na onye nke abụrụkwa onye otu anyị. Like I said, don't want my video towards early last year, na ESN, Eastern Security Network, has been hijacked by some ungrateful politicians nearby, used there for their own personal gain. I said it whoha, because the intention is you put here abroad the intention of a now. The main ESN pattern stand for justice and again and persecution of the life and protection of the life and property of Ndigbo no na nearby. Aburo zibe tono abubezu nwanne ha. Ana enwe ndị yi awolo nwe chikwa balaguli n'ego. O si kezi ndị yi ụdị awolo na wepụta. Enwe ndị na-eyi awolo na kwesịrị awolo ọjọọ in order to mingle among the people and spoil the bad egg and pour in the bad egg n'ime the good ones ade. Now it's not the high time I put on your bona making a check because these people are not taking break anytime soon. Ijele Kugoku, I believe everybody heard him clearly in HD. Weluchege Melon Wagebel, Cordon Boss and the bag.